Hello guys, welcome back to Lineup. For today's video, we're going to show you or discuss with you hosting your website builder SEO tutorial. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So if you're looking for a way to boost your SEO here for your, in this case, your website on Hostinger, well, there are going to be a few things that you need to understand, you need to learn here, and you need to access. So first things first, when you first create your website here on Hostinger, at the left side here, as you can see, I'm already in my website builder. We have this setup checklist here, which in this case allows you to fully set up your store. Now, the first thing that I would recommend you, especially if you have a new store that you just recently set up here in Hostinger, is you want to complete the full list that you are currently seeing right now. Like for example, like adding products, adding your payment methods here, your company details, and whatnot. Also, you may want to edit like some website updates here, like updating your image, heading text, edit paragraph here, just to get to know about the basics about editing here or with the website builder for Hostinger. But once you've done all of those, set up your website, done everything that you see in the checklist, how do we actually edit or in this case improve our SEO? So we all know SEO is something really important whenever someone's searching on the internet. Like for example, if you use a popular keyword, so again, like keywords is something really important here if you want your site to be visible on search engines. So yeah, how do we edit that? So the thing with SEOs here is you can only access the SEO settings for your website if you click on the three dotted option here, which have more settings. If you click on it, you should be able to see a bunch of things like blog, appointments, URL settings, integrations, form submissions. But this also includes SEO settings. Well, in this case, this is what we're looking for. Let's go ahead and click on it. Now, the thing with SEO settings here is, in this case, it actually gives you the option to edit a lot of things. Like for example, we have our main pages here, and we also have like product pages. Now, main pages here will contain the general pages that you have right now. Like in this case, if you create a new page within, in this case, your website builder for Hostinger, this is where you'll be able to see your navigation items like home, shop, deals, and even support. As you can see right now, just to close this one, this is what we're seeing right now. So these are the main pages for your Hostinger website. Now, obviously, you could add more into it by clicking on add pages, add page here at the very bottom here under the pages and navigation section. But let's go and go back into SEO here. And let's go and really discuss this one. So, in this case, the main pages here, you have the option to switch between those different pages here. You could really customize how they actually appear on search results. So, for example, we have a home page here. This is what it's going to look like. So we have like for example, the name of my store as well as the quality products and unbeatable prices here. Now, you could also use their AI assistant here to generate SEO titles for you. So if you want to improve that and use their AI, if you're too, in this case, you're not familiar much here, you could use their AI. But then again, we want to go ahead and just basically edit this one. Now, you could also hide your page here for search from search results, just in case, like if you want to hide your store from appearing, or if you want to hide that specific page from appearing on any search engines out there. So you could go and enable this one. But yeah, so this is just in rare cases. Typically speaking, you may want to have your pages appearing on search results. But if you don't want to have that specific page, you've hidden that page, you don't want to make it appear on any search results, well, you could go and enable this one. Now, you also have the focus keyword here. So this actually helps search engines to understand your content. So select one focus keyword here. So for example, if you're focusing on, like for example, affordable products, then you may want to use that one. So if you're an online store, you may want to choose online store here. Now, obviously, you could add like a maximum 3 keywords here that actually describes your store. So this is like a way for you to really be categorized within search engines. So if you're not familiar yet, there is a categorization in this case. Search engines actually categorize different websites here, and basically that's how they rank things here. So in this case, choosing a keyword that you don't have, there's a whole study in this one. In this case, you have like you're competing with other brands or website out there on a very specific keyword. So choosing your keyword really carefully here and choosing that keyword that you don't have much competition and really doing market research here can help you a lot. So yeah, so this is the first thing here. So you add your keyword here and someone search or use that keyword in searching on, like for example, Google. well, your site may appear on the top results here, again, if you rank pretty high on the ranking system here. So yeah, just make sure to choose the correct keyword. You also have the SEO title here. So in this case, we have like Renzi shop here. This is what we got. And it's going to give you some like information that you may want to update. So like SEO title should include focus keywords like affordable products here. So yeah, how do we actually edit this one? So what you need to do is you want to go to the very top here, click on the generate SEO, new SEO info, click on it. Now it's going to give you the option to start generating whatever you want to add. Like for example, you have the page description here, allows you to add a description into your page here, specifically for home. Again, like what I said, there are different pages on your website here. You need to edit that one by one for each. So in the page description, you may want to include like keywords that you may want to include, like keywords that especially like if you have like a list of keywords, you can include them in here. But you can go and just click or add them in here, click on next step, and now you need to go ahead and just select your keywords for your website. So in this case, we have like online store, quality products. Obviously, if you want to add more, you could go ahead and add the key focus keyword here, and you should appear in here as well. But yeah, you could go ahead and select them. So let's go and choose 3 keywords here. Let's go and click on next step. And from here, we have the review search engine appearance. Now you could edit this, like for example, the SEO title here. We have quality and affordable online store. You can add whatever you want. Like for example, a happy face here, but obviously this is not something you should be adding. But yeah, you could just add and then basically add your keywords that you want to add here and your meta description as well. That again, this is quite different in here, so you need to edit this as well. As you can see, this is what it's going to look like. But once you've added all the information, you can go and click on finish here. And as you can see, homepage has now been set up. So obviously you want to go and do this for every pages that you have right now, especially if you have a lot of pages right now on your website. This can be really a tiring process here. Again, if you have a lot of pages here, but it's not going to be that tiring if you have like only 5 or 4 pages. But if you switch over to product pages here, this now allows you to visit the products specifically here. So this is really handy because you can actually really tweak the SEO of your products. If you want to add like a very specific keyword on that product, you could add this via way. So if you go to product pages and select the product that you want to edit here, same thing, you want to click on generate new SEO info and just go through the whole process again. So yeah, so in this case, this is how you edit your SEO here on the website builder for Hostinger. Now, obviously, there's a lot more that you need to learn regarding SEO and really optimizing your shop and so that they actually appear on search results. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully, this video was able to help you like and subscribe. But see you later. Thank you for watching.